Hi ladies, I hope you're having a good day today. I just want to share with you a little bit about this activity so to get you going on the right track. The activity you're going to find in this baggie. Notice that it says radioactive decay on it, and then you'll also find a little packet in it that says radioactive decay chain as well as an example graph. So please use all of this information to help you to do this activity. The materials say that there are decay cards that are going to contain 15 elements, 6 beta and 8 alpha particles. Those you're going to find in your little bag right here. Look for your elements as being little red cards, and then you need to figure out what the yellow and the orange cards are for. Those orange and yellow cards are your particles, your decay particles, and what you're going to be doing is developing the decay chain. A decay chain starts off with our most unstable substance, and it moves all the way down until it gets to something that is stable. That's going to be in with that band of stability. It has the right proton and neutron relationship. So what we're going to do is take a quick look at what you need to do in order to set these cards up properly, because there's only one way to set these cards up, and they will come out and you will use all of the cards. Just make sure that you have the correct number of cards. You'll have 15 elements, 6 beta, and 8 alpha particles. Okay, so let's take a look. So let me move the camera here to give you a better shot. What I've done is I've got this sorted out on top of the whiteboard. You should have your whiteboard out and available for you to do this. And the cards say to start with uranium-238. That is going to be your parent. It is going to undergo decay, and you need to figure out what the type of particle is and what the daughter is. So your particle here could be either a beta, right? Notice it is an E here instead of the B formula. Both of them are the same thing. Or it could be an alpha. So if it's an alpha, if we do the math, the number on the top should be 234, right? And on the bottom we should have 90 in order to be able to add up to 92. So then you'd look in all of your other red cards and find that, oh, by chance there is one that is 234 and 90. Excellent. That means that these ones can go off to start your chain. Okay. And this one is going to be your next parent to start. Then you work through and look and figure out which one is which. So let's see if an alpha or if a beta would fit here. Okay, you'd end up with 234 on the top, right? And what number on the bottom? Hopefully you'd get 91, because you add those together you get 90. So you'd look in all of your cards and see if you have that as an option. If not, then you'd take your alpha and figure that one out. So that one would be 230 on the top, right? And then this would be 88 on the bottom. You go constantly through those and figure out what is your best option, okay? And as I said, you're going to end up using all of your cards, and you're going to end up making a decay chain. From that decay chain, then, you're going to be building a graph. That graph is going to be just specifically the elements. Please look at that sample graph in order to help you to set it up in your lab book. Also, make sure that you are using the correct value for both the X and the Y axis. I would highly recommend that you do that graph in pencil. All right? It's like a puzzle, ladies, and I know you're up for the challenge, so good luck, and I hope to see some really great graphs when I come back. Thank you.